The rise of autonomous coding. Can AI replace developers? Imagine a world where lines of code write themselves, where software updates in real time without human intervention, and where apps are built from scratch by machines within minutes. Sounds like science fiction? Not anymore. The rise of autonomous coding is transforming the very fabric of software development, and it's raising a profound question. Can AI truly replace human developers? At the heart of this revolution is a new generation of AI models that can understand, generate, and debug code. From GitHub Copilot to OpenAI's Codex, these systems are capable of completing complex functions, suggesting optimizations, and even writing entire blocks of code based on simple prompts. What used to take teams of engineers weeks to accomplish is now being done in hours, or sometimes even minutes, by machines trained on billions of lines of open-source code. But how did we get here? It started quietly, with basic code auto-completion features. Then came AI-assisted error detection. But today we're watching AI systems write production-level code, test it, and deploy it, all with minimal human guidance. It's not just about assistance anymore. It's about autonomy. Tools are emerging that can generate APIs, design user interfaces, and even respond to real-time user feedback with updated code logic. For businesses, this shift means faster development cycles, lower costs, and the ability to scale like never before. Startups can build MVPs without hiring large development teams. Enterprises can automate routine tasks and focus their human talent on strategic innovation. The productivity boost is undeniable. But does that mean developers are on the verge of extinction? Not so fast. While AI can generate code, it doesn't truly understand context the way a human does. It doesn't feel the tension of a deadline, grasp the long-term impact of a design decision, or intuitively understand a client's unspoken needs. It lacks imagination. It doesn't dream up ideas or innovate from scratch. At best, it synthesizes what it has learned from existing patterns. Developers don't just code, they create. They collaborate, experiment, and solve complex, messy, real-world problems. AI is a powerful tool, but it still needs human supervision. It doesn't replace developers, it amplifies them. In fact, the best results today are coming from a fusion of human and machine intelligence. Developers who embrace AI are becoming more efficient, more creative, and more capable. They're offloading repetitive work and spending more time architecting brilliant solutions. It's not man versus machine, it's man with machine. But there are deeper concerns too. As AI takes on more of the coding workload, what happens to entry-level jobs? Will junior developers struggle to gain experience if machines handle the basics? Will AI-generated code be secure, ethical, and maintainable in the long run? Who will be responsible for mistakes if no human wrote the code in the first place? These are not just technical questions, they're philosophical ones. And we must confront them now. Before autonomous coding becomes the norm, education will need to evolve. We'll have to teach new developers how to collaborate with AI, not compete with it. Coding may become less about syntax and more about systems thinking, ethical decision-making, and creative problem-solving. The role of a developer will change, but it won't disappear. Looking ahead, we may see entire code bases generated from spoken language. We may see AI that not only writes code, but understands product goals, user needs, and business outcomes. The boundary between idea and execution will blur. But no matter how intelligent these systems become, they will still rely on humans to provide vision, intent, and oversight. The rise of autonomous coding is not the end of development. It's a new beginning. It's a chance to redefine what it means to be a developer. It's a call to evolve, to learn, and to lead this transformation, not fear it. So, can AI replace developers? Not entirely, but it can change the role of a developer forever. The future belongs not to the coders who resist change, but to those who adapt, who learn to wield these new tools, and who understand that at the core of every great piece of software is still a spark of human insight. AI may write the code, but people will always write the future.